Hey, how's it going, McConnell? I just wanted to record this quick video to show you what I was talking about. This is the example. This guy creating websites for mom and pop stores, brick and mortar, things like that, right? So I'm going to play this video. It's going to last like maybe a minute or two. So just check it out and just get an idea and think about how you might be able to insert your company and information in there. Alright, listen. So, as you can see, it was something very simple, quick, straight to the point. And so, like envisioning you using this, and it could be like McConnell's blue collar life insurance policies company or something like that, right? Your phone number, and then you can even probably have a blurb come here saying ask about our free $5,000 policy, like you're talking about, just to get inside the door, right, of these companies. And then this button right here, if they're on mobile, you can just click that, tap it, and it'll pull up their phone app, and they'll be able to call directly from their phone, or they could just copy and paste the number right down there if they're on desktop. Yeah, so things like that, quick little video. It's catchy to the eye, nothing too extravagant, and this is just to get people to pick up the phone and call you, and then that could generate leads from there, and possibly those leads can turn into prospects and sales, So just let me know what you think about that, if it's something that you might be able to use. And there are different tools that this guy talks about that I have some of them. I'll be getting the rest of them to make it clean and nice like that and professional looking. And this is also a YouTube video that he shot. But the thing is that there's also a tool that he had to use so that it doesn't suggest other people's YouTube videos that they watched on their channel. because you know how it gives those suggested videos. Well, if you were to do that on a business website, that wouldn't look too professional, and plus you wouldn't want somebody getting distracted like, oh yeah, I like that video, let me go watch that again, and next thing you know, they're off your page and no longer even thinking about, life insurance and so on and so forth. So, to remove that, that's really huge as far as keeping the unprofessional image of your brand and things like that, So again, that's just a quick little blurb. Let me know what you think about it and get back to me whenever you can. All right, man. Later.